Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best women's beach cruiser bikes on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Sixthreezero Women's Beach Cruiser Bicycle. Designed for all women riders from 5 to 6 feet, this bike will offer you a relaxed and comfortable cycling experience for every occasion. One of the top reasons why this bike soars in popularity is its high-quality frame. It's made using a durable, lightweight aluminum alloy frame. The frame also features an ergonomic forward pedaling geometry to enable you to maintain a relaxed upright riding position. Another reason to love this beach cruiser is that it comes equipped with both front and rear handbrakes, giving you total control over the bike. The cruiser bike comes with quality 26-inch wheels and 1.95-inch wide semi-slick tires that provide you with a cushioned and stable ride on various surfaces. This bike is also a real beauty. It comes in a sleek, modern, eye-catching design characterized by high-gloss chrome components plus a frame with glistering sheen. With the included rear rack, you can easily attach a basket, pannier, etc. when making a trip to your local grocery store. Number 2. Our second best pick is Firmstrong Urban Lady Beach Cruiser Bicycle. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly beach cruiser bike for her, try this Urban Lady. This is a single-speed model that comes with no cables hanging off or any complicated gear systems. And it's great for cruising in many environments, inducing around the town, at the beach, and anywhere else with paved paths. You'll love how easy this bike rides. It rolls smooth and pedals easily to ensure even beginners will have an easy and fun time sailing with it on different surfaces. It boasts of an exceptionally comfortable oversized seat with dual coil springs to ensure you enjoy comfortable rides for longer hours. With its unique 2.125-inch tires, this bike is sure to absorb every single bump along the way to give you a smooth sailing experience. Other notable features include wide handlebars with synthetic leather grips, a guard to protect your pant cuffs, and rear coaster brakes for easy stoppage. The 26-inch bike is suited for riders from 5 to 6 feet tall and comes 80% assembled. Number 3. Our third best pick is Firmstrong Bella Women's Beach Cruiser. This bike comes equipped with all the smooth riding components like the other top-rated cruisers on this list. It also features an elegantly sleek and artful design, with front and rear fenders, a uniquely shaped thick top tube, and painted rims. Built to meet the needs of various women riders, this cruiser comes in up to 3 speed options: single, 3-speed, or 7-speed. The single speed is great for casual riding, while the 3-speed will make the perfect 2-wheeled machine for long rides and climbing hills. And the 7-speed allows you to enjoy higher intensity rides and go even farther distances than a standard cruiser. Whether you're riding at high speeds or cycling down hills, stopping this cruiser will be pretty easy to control, thanks to coaster brakes it comes equipped with. The Firmstrong Bella features aluminum wheels plus 2.125-inch wide whitewall tires that roll smoothly and easily and cushion you against all the bumps that get in your way. With its wide, oversized seat, with dual spring suspension, this cruiser will give you exceptionally comfortable rides for hours. As one of the beach cruisers for women packed with extras, this model presents you with synthetic leather grips for comfortable riding and a guard to protect your pant cuffs from getting caught in the chain. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Schwinn Huron and Mikko Adult Beach Cruiser Bike. Schwinn is a big name in the bicycle industry, no doubt. Priding themselves as America's most loved bike brands, they have an extensive line of top-notch bikes, including ladies' cruiser bikes like this Huron and Mikko model right here. One of the top reasons that allow this bike to cruise in high popularity involves the top-of-the-line Shimano 7-speed drivetrain it comes equipped with. This offers you more dynamic gear options to fit your unique riding needs. The drivetrain also features a twist shifter that promotes easy and fast gear changes while keeping them gears out of the elements. Built with your safety in mind, this bike also comes with a pretty intuitive front and rear liner braking system. These enable you to easily slow down or make stops in any environment. Remember that this bike rolls on aluminum alloy wheels that are not only strong but also lightweight. And it comes with a well-padded cruiser saddle with springs to let you ride in total comfort. Its retro-style front and rear fenders will help keep dirt and mud away from your clothing. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Huffy Panama Jack Beach Cruiser Bike. If you're looking for the perfect gift for that special human in your life, think this Huffy 26-inch Panama Jack single-speed beach cruiser. The 26-inch bike looks fabulous and is ideal for riders aged 13 years and up, or riders with a minimum height of 5 feet. One area where the designers of this bike hit the mark was optimizing it for the ultimate comfort. Its frame design places the seat further back with a lower center of gravity for a more fun and comfortable ride. Its swept-back handlebars enable you to easily achieve that upright, comfortable riding position with full leg extension. As if that's not enough, this bike comes with a saddle with luxurious padding with dual springs for extra comfort. Mark you can easily adjust the handlebar and seat height to fit your riding needs. This is one of the easiest to assemble for beach cruisers for women, thanks to its simplistic design. No gears or brakes to gamble with. And it comes partly assembled. The Huffy has an incredibly sturdy but lightweight feel, thanks to its aluminum frame. The lightweight alloy linear pull brakes and machined alloy wheel rims work together to achieve a superior brake pad contact, resulting in smooth stopping power. Bonus features that come with this bike include soft, cork-style grips for comfortable touch and a load of accessories including a beverage holder, wicker basket, and rear rack with bottle opener. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.